Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on Digitalize at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Then, after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can check out all of those options and tap on the back button. Now tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!